Welcome to our manufacturing facility. You will see how we integrate advanced automation with skilled craftsmanship. From raw material inspection to final assembly, every step of the process follows strict quality control measures. With a large scale of automation equipments, which enhances precision and efficiency. We also implement lean manufacturing principles to reduce waste and improve production flow. Our R&D team continuously works on process improvements and innovative solutions to keep us ahead of the market trends. We believe that technology and expertise are the keys to delivering superior products. We take pride in delivering not only high quality, but also environmentally responsible products to our global customers. We look forward to working hand in hand with you in the field of high quality stainless steel cookware.